Okay, so we just did the demonstration, so you can always go back to that video and check out in real time what is happening with the carts and what is happening on the screen with the graph. Or I can break it down right now. So what I'm going to do is try to make sure it's not that confusing to you what is happening in this graph. So right here, as the two graphs are at rest, they are both at 0 Newton force. And then as I pull apart the cars, their graphs go outward. The graphs go away from each other to show the pull apart. Then I'm at the peak at which my carts are as far away as possible as I have them. And then I'm going to bring them back together. And that the graph is showing exactly that. The carts are coming back together, almost like this is their reference point, which is inertia. The reference point is no motion. They are at rest because there's no force. So again, they're about at rest here. The only issue is that I probably pulled them closer together. So this is almost like an extra push. There is a bit of force in the opposite direction. And again, I'm pulling them away, bringing them back together. I leave them steady at rest, and then I begin again the pull and bring together. So that's what this is breaking down. Here, these two graphs are when I kept one car stationary. I didn't move it, but I pulled the other car with the rubber band connected to it away from it. So again, I'm pulling away, and here I am bringing it back together. So these aren't dissimilar from the other graphs. They're just the same kind of force is being applied. They're both being pulled apart. Just one car is staying in place. So this is just to show you, again, I've pulled the cart away from each other 5 times and then brought them back to rest where there's no force applied.